Imagine your engine suddenly refusing to start or stalling just when you need it most, while that dreaded check engine light stares you down from the dashboard. Dealing with a P0183 error code, which points to a fuel pressure sensor B circuit high condition, is more than just a minor annoyance, because it directly affects how your car breathes and eats. This sensor acts like a digital pressure gauge for your car's brain, the powertrain control module, and when it sends a signal that is way too high, the computer basically loses its mind and does not know how much fuel to spray into the cylinders. Usually, this high voltage reading is a classic sign of an open circuit, meaning a wire might be snapped, a plug is loose, or the sensor's internal resistance has gone completely out of whack. Since this sensor is a transducer that converts physical pressure into a voltage signal, often using a 5-volt reference, any break in that loop makes the computer think the pressure is off the charts. You will likely feel the car struggling to accelerate, or in worse cases, it just won't fire up at all because the fuel pump control is compromised. To fix this, you should start by playing detective with the wiring harness near the fuel rail, looking for any green corrosion or frayed bits, and then use your digital multimeter to check if that crucial 5-volt reference is actually reaching the sensor. If the wiring and the 5-volt supply look solid, but the sensor is still spitting out a high voltage signal that does not match the actual mechanical pressure on your gauge, then that sensor has likely given up the ghost and needs to be swapped out so you can get back on the road without the fear of being stranded.